Have you ever dreamed of a job where you just show up, do absolutely nothing, and yet get paid? I know you have. So, Japan has finally turned this dream into a reality. And I'm not even joking. More specifically, in a city called Nagoya. And before we proceed, we need to understand what exactly going on. And before that, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and let's go. So decades ago, Japanese society came up with an unspoken agreement between their citizens about escalator safety. So if you're in Tokyo or eastern side, you are supposed to stand on the left side of the escalator and keep the rights empty for others to walk. But it gets flipped in Osaka and the western side. But the authorities later realized that letting people walk on the escalators doesn't really make sense because it doesn't really affect time of your journey. Instead, it just caused unnecessary problems and it made it overall unsafe. So in 2023, Nagoya officially passed an ordinance that banned all kind of walking or movement on the escalators. You are just supposed to stand there like a mannequin doing nothing. So you might now be thinking, why am I talking about escalators? There's a reason to it. Because to ensure that no people dares to walk on the escalators, Nagoya has decided to start a campaign. Now, what sort of campaign it might be? No posters, no announcement. They have actually hired people whose job is to stand still professionally. And they have a name. They are known as the Nagoya Stand and Stop Corp. What do? They have one job. They take a position in an escalator. And get this, they're also being paid. The junior staff members are being paid around 6,000 yen, which is around $45 for 6 hours of just standing. Meanwhile, they also have team leader. I don't know why would they also need a leader, but he gets paid even more, around 16,000 yen or over $100 for just standing and doing nothing. Where do I sign up to join it? Now let's talk about why this is happening. Japan is preparing for the 2026 Asian Games and is expecting to host a lot of tourists. And to ensure their public safety, they have taken this move. I'm just thinking of all the things you could have done to ensure the public safety. I mean, what was the necessity of this? I'm just imagining how the conversation went in the meeting. So many tourists are going to be coming here. We have to ensure that all kind of threats are eliminated. Yeah, you are right. So what steps can we take? We have to make sure that there's no cyber crime. We have to make sure that no unsocial elements can cause any havoc. I'm thinking something better. Are you talking about this? Like we have to be prepared for them also? No, I'm talking about something far more deadly. Escalators. Escalators? Yep, escalators. Well, at least it's good to see that Japan is taking public safety really carefully. Let's be honest, you can't trust the tourists. Now you might be thinking that what can be the repercussions be like if you decided to break the rules? Like surely they would do something really treacherous like put you in the jail, detain you, deport you, like they can do everything. And here's the twist. Even if you did disobey the rule, there won't be any kind of action against you. They will just look you in disappointment, which can be far more worse. Well, actually, this kind of precautions are being taken not for the youth and the young people, but for the aging population. Because the escalators in Japan relatively move slower than other countries because of the aging population, so that old people can get in and out easily, which might not fit well with the Gen Z. To safeguard their population, they have taken this kind of initiative, and I respect that. Well, that's the most unique solution I have seen to any problem. Let me know what you think about this news, share your opinions, and yeah, that's it from my side. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video with some even crazier or weirder stories from Japan or anime. So yeah, that's it from my side. Take care. Peace.